Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into how you can fix this frustration issues and get back to shopping your favorite items without a hitch. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. First things first, let's understand why AliExpress might close an order or why you might be facing payment errors. There can be several reasons, from payment verification failures to issues with your bank or even AliExpress own internal security measures kicking in. Knowing the exact reason is crucial to solve the problem. Alright, step 1 is to check the order status. If your order has been closed, AliExpress will typically send you an email explaining why. This can give us vital clues. For instance, if the email mentions a payment verification issue, the solution could be as simple as confirming your payment details or using a different payment method. Now on to step 2, which is checking your payment method. If there's an issue with your card or payment account, reaching out to your bank can often clear things up. Sometimes banks block transactions due to suspicious activity or if it's an international purchase like on AliExpress. Step 3 is trying a different payment method. AliExpress accepts a variety of payment options, so switching from, say, your credit card to PayPal might just do the trick. Moving on to step 4, if you've tried everything and still can't make a payment, it's time to contact AliExpress customer support. They can provide insights into why an order was closed and guide you on how to resolve the issue. To do this, head over to the Help Center on AliExpress and use the chat feature to speak directly with the representative. Be sure to have your order details handy for a smoother process. And finally, step 5, if you've been facing continuous issues, it might be worth reviewing your AliExpress account for any limitation or restrictions. Ensuring your account details are up to date and verifying your identity if requested by AliExpress can help prevent future order closures. And there you have it, folks. Following these steps should have you resolve most payment and closed ordered issues on AliExpress. Remember, patience is key. Sometimes these issues can take a bit of time to sort out, but with persistence, you'll be back to shopping in no time.